Hello, love you viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to use our left hand when playing a live worship. We are going to discuss about it. You see, sometimes you hear people playing live worship and you hear some bass and some minor stuff, but you find it difficult to apply it yourself. Today, I'm going to teach you the tricks. You have to apply your left hand on your keyboard when playing a live worship. So today we are going to discuss about it, and there's going to be a breakdown. So we are going to use key F. We are using key F to play a live worship, and the song we are going to use Tumenyinara Eyewudi. We are going to use that song. So stay tuned and watch how I'm going to do it. You see what I was doing? You can hear some minor. I was playing some minor, and the bass is supporting me a lot. You see, I was using this octave. You see, so it adds some flavor to my playing. So you have to use this octave. Do, so, do. You have to use this octave. So instead of you playing, instead of you playing, it doesn't sound nice. You see, it doesn't sound nice. Using the same left hand to play, it doesn't sound nice. So instead of you playing like this, change that method and use this one. You see the way it sounds. You see the way it sounds. It sounds so nice. Even playing it alone, it sounds so nice. So try and use your octave when playing your live worship. So let's do this once again and see. You see the way I was playing it? It looks so nice. So you have to try and add this chord. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. You see the octave? That is the octave. It looks so amazing. And some people even play using their one note like this. Oh, na, how to be. You see, some people using the word, it's nice, but it doesn't look mature. It doesn't look mature. This one doesn't look mature. So please try and apply this. Oh, nah, who was how to be. You see, it looks so good, pleasant to the ear. So please try and learn it. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.